If your Meta smart glasses is not connecting to iPhone, here's how to fix it. Start by placing the glasses into the charging case and keeping the case open near your iPhone, giving the connection a moment to become active and detectable. Next, turn Bluetooth off and back on from your iPhone settings to refresh the wireless search and clear any temporary connection issues. Also, fully close the MetaView app and reopen it, allowing the app to properly detect and connect to the glasses again. Then, remove the glasses from the case and put them on, confirming they power on and show the pairing light if available. Finally, make sure no other devices are connected to the glasses and retry the connection patiently until the iPhone recognizes them. For more wearable tech tips, watch our next video on fixing Meta Smart glasses not showing in Bluetooth.